Let's crochet a body of baby dog. Round 5. Start 12 groups of single crochet stitches and increase stitch. Remove the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 4. Crochet the first single crochet stitch of round 5. And use the stitch marker again, under only 2 strands of yarn. Crochet the first increase stitch of round 5. 1 SC stitch. In the same hole, crochet the second SC stitch. Group 1 finished. In round 5, we will crochet 12 groups with SC and increase stitch. An increase stitch is shorthand for putting 2 single crochet stitches in the same hole. 1 single crochet stitch. 1 increase stitch. If you forget the following stitch, count the V from the first stitch with the marker. Group 3 finished. Let's crochet the 4th one. Okay, Group 4 finished. One group will occupy 2 stitch holes and appear 3 V at the rim of the circle. As for the increase stitch, Group 5 finished. Great! We've finished half of round 5. 1 single crochet stitch. Next stitch. 1 single crochet stitch of increase. Same stitch hole. 2 single crochet stitch of increase. Group 7 finished. 1 SC stitch. Next stitch. 1 SC stitch of increase. Same stitch hole. 2 SC stitches. Group 8 finished. If it's hard to pull the yarn through, rotate the hook will work. 1 single crochet stitch. 1 increase stitch. Group 10 finished. Group 11 finished. Last group left in round 5. Round 5 finished. Stitch with marker is the first stitch. There are totally of 36 stitches. Count the V for confirmation. From round 6 to round 9, we will crochet 36 single crochet stitches every round. Take off the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 5. Crochet the first single crochet stitch of round 6. The first SC stitch finished. Use the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 6. The second SC stitch. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. If it's hard to pull the yarn through, pulling as well as rotating the hook will work. The sixth one. The seventh one. The eighth one. The ninth one. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Hard to pull. Rotate the hook as well as pull it. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 SC. Finished. For the righty, push the middle part, if the piece still curling, to make the right side face out. Let's crochet round 7, which is the same crochet process as round 6. Take off the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 6. Crochet the first single crochet stitch of round 7. Use the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 SC. Finished. Let's crochet round 8. 36 single crochet stitches. Take off the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 7. Crochet the first single crochet stitch of round 8. Use the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 SC. Finished. Let's crochet round 9. 36 single crochet stitches. Remove the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 8. Crochet the first single crochet stitch of round 9. Use the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 SC. Finished. We can count the SC like this. There are totally 36 SC. Round 9 finished.